Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make homemade Italian artisan bread, rosemary and garlic flavored. This bread can easily be prepared in under 2 hours. Start with 1.5 cups of warm water. Add 1 package of active dry yeast. Then add 3¼ cups of all-purpose flour. Next, add 1½ teaspoons of sea salt. Add up to 1 teaspoon of garlic powder depending on how strong you like it. Get yourself some fresh rosemary. I used roughly 2 tablespoons. Give it a good chop or leave it whole, whatever you like. This recipe is so easy to make, you will ask yourself, why do I still buy bread at the supermarket? Slap it in the mixer or do it by hand, but the key to this recipe is handling it least amount possible. As soon as it forms a ball, stop mixing it. Shape the dough, then cover with a slightly damp cloth and let it rise till it doubles in size. Put it in a warm place and you can do this in about an hour. At this point, I usually preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Spread some flour on parchment paper. Form the dough into a ball. Make an X-shaped cut on top of it. Then cover with a slightly damp cloth. When you preheat your oven, be sure to put a pan in the bottom. This is key to making crusty bread. It is very important to create steam to get the proper crust you like. Some people use water, I use ice, you get more steam. Be careful when you do this, make sure you stand away from it. Quickly close the oven door. Set your kitchen timer for 25 minutes, spin the bread, it'll be ready in another 10. Put the bread on a cooling rack, slap some butter on it, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.